Let's budget my paycheck with me as a 25 years old nurse. This is my first paycheck of the month. The next one comes in 15 days, and I got $5,324 with 34 cents. I like to see if I have any rollover from the previous paycheck by just clicking this box. Everything marked with number 1 is to be covered with my first paycheck. I start with my savings using $500 on my high-yield savings account and $300 for travel. After that, I go to bills where I budget $65 for water, $125 for electricity, $45 for gas, $30 for trash, and $35 for internet. Then, on my regular expenses, $500 for eating out, $700 for groceries, $400 for gasoline, $150 for tolls, $100 for pet care, $40 on fitness, $14 on Spotify, and $15 on Netflix. Finally, I go to my debt where I only cover my mortgage with my first paycheck for $1,927. I still have $228 left to budget, so I put this into my emergency fund. Now I have a zero-based budget with $5,747 with 49 cents left to spend. If you like this budget by paycheck template, click the button below to get it now.